What's up and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Joy Victoria. So you guys, today I'll be doing a wig review. This wig is Sensational Sheer Mousse Synthetic Hair Empress Lace Front Wig. So this wig is called LACHAN. Weird name, from glamorous.com. It was $30.91. You guys, look at this wig. It's like super purple violet. So I already cut off the lace, but it came with just a tiny bit of lace right here on the perimeter, and it also came with one parting area right here. It does come with two combs in the front, one comb in the back, and you also have your adjustable straps. So let me just show you guys how the wig looks on my head. So, this is a wig right here on my head, y'all. Super purple. I look like a leprechaun. That's what they need to name this wig. So some LACHAN. They need to be leprechaun, to be completely honest. I'm feeling the color. I really like the color. Honestly, I'm about to transform this wig because right now it's looking like a hot mess. The hair is super long, y'all, like super long. Look, all the way past my butt. Y'all see the hair is extremely long. I'm getting a lot of tangling, so much tangling, it's ridiculous. I am gonna flat iron it, and I'm just gonna transform this wig because I'm not feeling it long like this. It looks too synthetic-y. It has a lot of different layers cut inside of it. Like when I'm talking about layers, I'm like, I don't know, y'all not gonna be able to tell, but so you know when you lay your hair and you get like inches that are correlates with each other, like a 12, 14, and a 16. I feel like this is a 12, a 18, a 26. Like it's layered like that, and it's distinctively known which section is which section, and I don't really like it at all. But I'm about to go and I'm about to play with this wig. Y'all about to see me transform this wig into something real cute, because right now I look like a witch and I'm not having it. Y'all look like, girl, this hair And full disclaimer, majority of the time when I lay down my wigs, I'm only laying down like from right here to right here. If I'm not letting my edges show, I'm not laying down my whole entire perimeter. So if y'all see anything lifting up, like i.e. right here, don't worry about it, okay sis? I'm not about to show this part of my hair, so I'm not laying it down. If I was showing it, like I said, I would lay it down. See, literally, I only have this much of lace that I'm gonna have to play with and try to finesse. But best believe I'm about to finesse, okay?
Your enemy. If you want love, look somewhere else. He'll find nothing. Just give it up. I'm not your girl, cause I only love me. Don't get me wrong, you and I could have fun together. When I feel done with having fun on my own, it's better to care for yourself, not rely on somebody else. So don't get me wrong, I'm just riding alone. Just walk away, cause I got no intentions of hanging out with you tonight. Don't look my way. If you want a problem, I'll give you a problem, alright? If you want love, just give it up. You got the wrong girl. You got the wrong, you got the wrong, you got the wrong girl, girl. You got the wrong, you got the wrong, you got the wrong girl.
All right, y'all, so now that I have my little bit of edges laid, because this is pretty much all that's going to show, I'm going to go in with what I like to do is, because I hate the fact that I wish the purple was more of like a gradient effect. Like I wish it was dark roots and then go into the purple. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my Morphe palette, and you can take any palette as long as it has a black. I'm going to do black. So I'm just going to dip my brush inside of it, and I'm literally just going to...
You got the wrong, you got the wrong, you got the wrong girl, girl. You got the wrong, you got the wrong, you got the wrong girl, girl. This is my time, I'm feeling good, rule every party. See how
It's looking so so much better. But look at this, it's already matted up in the back, so we definitely got to do something about that. So you guys, I want to split it in two. Brush it out a little bit. Sit up straight, and I'm about to cut this bad boy.
This my time, I'm feeling good, rule every party. See how I shine, when I'm alone, nothing can stop me. You should go out, meet someone else, someone who gets you. Don't stick around, I'm pretty wild, I don't do monogamy. Don't get me wrong, you and I could have fun together when...
Yeah, so first and foremost, I don't even know how to cut hair. I suck at cutting hair because it's always uneven. So I suggest, if you want your hair evened out, girl, let somebody cut it who know what they doing. But it's looking cute already, short. It's looking real cute, short. Real cute. What y'all think? Ooh, and I didn't even finish it. And now, like, my hand can go straight through it. Very, very soft. Ooh, this gonna be cute. Once I just flat ironed this side just now, as you guys saw, and it's already looking way better. It's looking like less shiny but more silky, giving me that silky feeling. Ooh, all right, y'all, so this is the final look. Y'all saw me do this wig from start to finish. Y'all see how I be finessing my wigs, baby. Like, if I can do it, trust me, you can do it too. So this is how the wig came out. Oh, I see a little bit of flyaways. For sure, I know this cut is not perfect. Y'all, I'm feeling it. I like it. Tell me what y'all think down in the comments below. It's moving now. It got some body to it. I can run my hands through it. I don't know if it's picking up the color on the camera. It kind of looked blue on the camera the way I'm looking at it now, but baby, this is like a lilac purple. Like, it's super, super purple. All right, y'all, so let me know down in the comments how I did. If you guys felt inspired by this look, it don't matter what kind of color hair you got, as long as you got some black eyeshadow or some brown eyeshadow, depending on how you want your gradient effect to be. Girl, you gonna be good. You gonna be good. Just take these tips and you gonna be good, sis, okay? Cause this hair, ooh, it's flowing down and everything. Quit playing. Alright, y'all, so this is the end of my video. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, comment, like, and subscribe to your girl, me. Y'all be blessed, I'm gonna be blessed, and we're gonna be blessed all 2020, baby, and forevermore. Alright, bye, y'all.